Can you wear makeup in a UK passport photo? Yes, makeup is allowed, but only if it looks natural and doesn't change your appearance too much. If your makeup hides your real features, your photo could be rejected. So, if you want to look good and still follow the rules, here's a simple step-by-step passport makeup guide. Before we start, remember the main rule for passport photos. The picture must clearly show your real face. Makeup is allowed, but it should only enhance your natural features. Keep your look simple, natural, and close to how you normally appear. Start with your skin. The goal is to create a clean, even complexion without making the makeup look heavy. Use a light foundation to reduce redness while keeping it natural. Make sure the color matches your neck and ears for consistency. For the eyes, keep the makeup soft. Neutral shades like beige or soft pink help define the eyes without looking dramatic. Add a light coat of mascara. Avoid heavy eyeliner or dark smoky eyes that draw too much attention away from your features. Well-groomed brows help frame your face. If they are sparse, lightly fill them with a pencil or powder. Then brush them into place with a brow gel. The goal is to keep them neat and natural, not to create bold brows. For lips, choose a natural color close to your own shade. A nude lipstick or tinted lip balm works. These options add color without being bold. Avoid very bright or dark lipsticks as they can look too dramatic for official photos. Well, before taking your photo, do a quick final check in natural light. This ensures your face looks clear and natural. If your skin looks shiny, apply a small amount of translucent powder to the T-zone. This helps reduce shine for a clear photo. Here are some common mistakes. Heavy contouring, bright makeup, or glitter can distract from your real facial features. The most important thing to remember is that your passport photo should still look like you. Keep it simple. To make sure your UK passport photo meets all requirements, create it with PhotoBooth Online. We double-check everything for you. Try PhotoBooth Online now using the link in the description. Good luck with your passport application!